Viral style AI videos are everywhere right now. Realistic AI avatars, AI product videos, talking head clips, and more. And in this video, we're testing Topview AI's product avatar feature, where with just a few clicks, you can choose any product, any avatar, and build a promo video in seconds. No fluff, just a real creative workflow. Let's go. To sign up for a free trial with Topview AI's product avatar feature, just click the link below in the description or pin comment for max free credits. And this is the main page of Topview with many different AI tools to choose from. We are featuring the product avatar today, so we'll go ahead and click that and create your product avatar for free. Simply go ahead and sign up using your email address or Google account. And here is the Topview AI dashboard. You can see we have a variety of different tools. Design your avatar. We have a video avatar with lip sync, AI video all-in-one. We've got an AI image generator that uses the Nano Banana Pro model. We have avatar marketing video, plus a really cool feature called Viral Video Agent. But coming back to the main feature of the video, which is the product avatar. Okay, here is the dashboard for the product avatar feature. We have three main panels. On the left, we have a bank of all the AI avatars we can use to promote our product. This second panel is where we have our inputs. We'll work with that in just a moment. And on the right are some of our recent creations. A quick note with the pictures of these avatars here, they're actually holding a product already, but that is just a placeholder or an example. So you can see if I were to select this AI avatar, that when the image pops up here, that she's not already holding a product, but this is where we upload our product image. So coming back up to the top, and I'm choosing vitamins and supplements, since I'm going to be choosing a protein powder to promote. And I like the looks of this avatar here. Now that we've chosen our AI influencer, the next step is to go out and find a product for her to promote. So I might choose, say, like a protein powder. So let's come on over to Amazon, put in protein powder, and let's choose this one here, EHP Labs Isopept Protein Powder. Okay, we've got some photos here, of course, and then we have a description which we'll use in our script a bit later. So let's just open up this, right click and save that. For our description, we'll copy and paste this into ChatGPT. Okay, great. With one iteration, we have a script that goes for about 15 seconds. So we can copy and paste that. The next step is to put in the hero image of the protein powder. So let's select this image here. It will then take a little bit of time to generate the sample image with the avatar holding the product. Okay, that didn't take too much time at all. Now this is where the real magic happens. You can see we have a few different options here of avatar action mode. We can choose between avatar 1, avatar 4, and avatar 4 fast. Avatar 4 is going to give you the most detailed and accurate option, so we'll choose that one. Now with the script, we can choose to either put a script in, which I've used ChatGPT to generate that script, or you can choose to take your script and use your favorite AI voice generator tool to come up with your own audio, and then you can import it into Topview AI, where Topview will lip sync the audio that you created with the AI avatar that we've chosen here. But in this case, we are going to use our own script. So we've just pasted in the script that we've generated using ChatGPT to give us about a 15-second speaking duration. The next thing you can do is choose the voice out of the actual database of voices here. So I could choose, for example, Violet. If I wanted to, I could choose an emotion to give her a little bit more expression to match the product that I'm using, but I'll keep it at the default for now. And if I feel she's speaking a bit slow, I can adjust the speed a little bit here to make it a bit quicker. So let's play that out now.
Hey buddy, it is me. Just wanted you to hear my voice. How is your day going?
You can also see that with that voice we've selected, with the speed that we've chosen, with that script, it's given us a video length of 18 seconds. We can now go ahead and generate that. So it'll get put into the generation bank, and it's saying here that it thinks it'll take around about 8 minutes to produce. So let's go away and come back when that's done. Great, that's finished. Let's check it out. So open that up and play it out.
This gives you 25 grams of high quality protein to help your muscles recover and grow after training. It helps reduce cramps, soreness, and supports energy and immunity. It's easy on your stomach, so you don't feel bloated or heavy afterwards. Just mix with water and take it within 45 minutes after your workout.
Wow, that's perfect. I was really impressed with the lip sync and just the way she was naturally holding the protein powder. Let's just play it again. I mean, this is amazing.
This gives you 25 grams of high quality protein to help your muscles recover and grow after training. It helps reduce cramps, soreness, and supports energy and immunity. It's easy on your stomach, so you don't feel bloated or heavy afterwards. Just mix with water and take it within 45 minutes after your workout.
Such a good result. That is ready to download and publish on your social medias and promote this either with an affiliate link or perhaps you even own the product yourself. This really opens up a lot of doors. You could just use an AI image generator to create your own mock-up of a protein powder with its own unique selling proposition. Put that image in the hands of an AI influencer like this. Create a whole social media channel with photos and more videos just like this. Get a whole bunch of pre-orders and then white label your own protein powder supplement just like this and start making money that way. So there you go, Topview AI's product avatar feature. From one image to viral style videos in minutes. Use my promo link below for max free credits. There's also a special offer available right now, so it's a good time to try it out. So start for free, then explore the plan options that work best for you. Watch this video next to see a comparison of the best 3 AI video generator models available today. Also subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for joining me and I'll see you there.